Sup, pups? Hope you're doing absolutely amazing. My name is Saint Wolf. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about teddy bear because UD gens keep messaging me about it. But I think that's perfect because teddy bear is the meme of PulseChain. And if you've looked at PulseChain, and PulseChain kicked off really good, they didn't have an SEC lawsuit on them. So what happened? Everybody went nuts on Brett. So let me show you what's going on in teddy bear. But first, let me show you what happened on Brett so you can have some perspective. All right. Is everything working? Okay. Brett. Is it not working? Talk to me. There we go, Brett. Okay, so what happened? It came out on PulseChain in May, and it started dumping. Look, like people ignored it for 2 weeks, guys. 2 weeks you had to get this entry, and then look, just nonstop stair-stepping out. Not a single piece of structure has been retested. It just keeps going up. And look at the buy pressure, the volume, liquidity. Is that for real? Is that it? Let's see. Oh, on error. Okay. Well, whatever. I'm not going to go investigate. That's not what this video is about, but I'm showing you what Brett has done. It's at a $1.5 billion market cap now. Okay. So let me show you teddy bear. Where are we at? Okay. This is teddy bear to die. This is teddy bear pulse. Okay. So really quick, it's holding up just fine on PulseChain. It's been gaining everything so far. So let me show you the die chart. This was where you see we had a break of this uptrend back here in the end of May. Now this uptrend was going since December. Okay, I think I've made a number of videos through this range, and we fell out of here as I predicted in one of my prior videos and came back to touch this uptrend, which we've been on, and then we broke down, okay, which is a sign of weakness, which is fine though, because we came back up, a little fake out, made a little W and went up, but now we've smashed back down again. Let me look closely at that candle really quick. What does that look like? Right, so here you see this gravestone doji candle. So we had a reversal signal right there. Okay, but as you see what happened before, people bought it right up, you know, but we've come back in a little bit of weakness. Now, of course, it is June 12th. You know, the markets are a little bit dumpy right now. June gloom, that's fine. All things considered, this looks very bullish, okay? Considering what the rest of the market is doing you know, how poopy Pulse has been, this is holding up really well. So this is where you'd want to be. Now, you want to know where to buy. Well, look, the MACD is rolling over on the 3-day, okay? This is trending up. Do you see this pattern going up? So we don't know how much is left for this downtrend or this weakness. And as it is, this weakness may bring us down to where? Here? You know, 0.77s, 1756. So like, you know, 20%. You need to think that if I'm being fickle here at the bottom, or greedy, I don't know what people call being at the bottom, but you're mucking about for this little bit of gain down here, because let's say it could be, you might buy here, maybe it comes down to here, hell, you know, maybe it comes even a little lower. I don't know how bearish we're going to be this June, but the upside is only a $22 million market cap, guys. Brett, what I showed you, was 1.5 billion, like that on PulseChain, and like literally like that. Okay, that's how fast it got there. So when Pulse also starts trending up, how fast do you think bear is going to move up? So don't risk this upside for trying to catch a little more to the downside. I'm still showing you some support because, well, that's what we do. I do this. So here you've got some right down here, okay, in this range, 0.71285. So that's maybe half the market cap. But it's a $22 million market cap. I don't know if we get down there. I mean, this is pretty strong. Maybe we come back here and we make, let me show you something. You know, maybe we do this and we test something here. But look how fast they break back in, okay? So this can reverse whenever the market's ready at any point, and it can do it very quickly. Let me show you something on Brett really quick once again. Let me show you how fast this reversed, okay? I just want to show you. This is on the 12-hour, guys. Let's put you on the daily. Watch this. So it came down. I don't know. Somebody realized this might be a good buy. Meme coins might do well. Somebody realized, and it just went nuts. This is a fast reversal. This is May 15th, and by May 20, in 10 days, it's doubled. All right. So that would be the equivalent of Teddy Bear going to a $40 million market cap. So I still think this is great DCA territory. You can wait a little bit longer to see if things get a little more poopy, and maybe we do come down to test some of these support levels like I'm showing here. Okay, but you're taking a big risk. Okay, because this is going to be the meme on PulseChain. Another layer one like base. We just have to get through some muck like SEC, blah, blah, blah. You know what's going on. But once that lifts, it's going to go crazy. Now, why is it going to crazy? Look at it. It's beautiful. Nothing's changed. It's still absolutely gorgeous. It's got that universal appeal, just like, you know, a dog with hat or, I mean, kids love it. I like it. And I think it's cool. I would put a picture up of this in my studio. This one's great. I love this one, of course. You know, the kids will love the pink Lambo, you know. Oh, this is cute, the diamond. Oh, yeah, I didn't even notice I was riding in the pink Lambo. Yeah, I mean, this is awesome. It's great. It's got vibe. It's got vibe. It's just dripping. It's dripping all over my workstation. So I think we're looking good, but we're looking good in the sense like anywhere you DCA, I think you're going to be just fine, okay? But this might need to play out a little bit more, which is this candle, okay? This gravestone doty. Maybe we get one more red candle. Maybe, okay? It's hard to say, okay? But we have plenty of support. The only area would be down here, okay? But this is coming down real low. That would be if we really broke down. The markets really went to crap this summer. Bitcoin takes a big nosedive. Everything's going to come down in that case. And then nobody's safe anyway. But of course, I'm going to back up the truck if we do come down to these lower levels. So that would be 0.804775. So that would be right here at this range. I don't like this vector candle. I never do, but this is a very bullish chart. So I can't guarantee we're going to come back and test it. As you saw in Brett, nothing's been retested. It's not going to do it till the bull runs over. You know, that's it. And same thing could happen here where I want those candles to be retested and the structure to be tested, but it may not happen. Is it going to show me the candle? Oh, it's peak time. Give it a second. So this is always going to bother me, but as you saw in Brett, once it's bullish, it's bullish. It doesn't have to come back till later on. But this, so I think I said down here at the 4780s, and then there's also this right here, and you see this break, okay? That's going to be a point. So that'd be 806560. Okay. And when I see these kind of candles, vector candles like this, these are big movements. I'd like to see at least 2/3 of it retested. And I'm happy sometimes, you know, maybe half, I'll give it to it because this is about the half point. If it got tested there with as bullish as this is, I would be fine with it. I would make sure I'm DCAing and not expecting it to go lower. If it did, great. But that might be the lowest you might get. So you have a floor here. You got a floor here. If the market goes really bearish, we make another floor right here. It's possible, but nothing's guaranteed. And this is a very bullish chart. So I would break up your buys. I would DCA and understand that, okay, I need to start deploying here. If it goes lower, great. The gods are on your side in that sense. But if it goes higher, that's it. You know it's going to take off like I showed you on Brett at some point because it's absolutely beautiful. Meme. It always cracks me up. So it's going to do really well. You guys, remember to like this video, put any comment, any questions you guys have. If I missed anything, if you want to cover it, again, I love covering bear. Oh, to show you really quick, let's go look really quick at holders. I want to see what it's grown to. I think it was at 10K holders on my last video, right? Like 10 or 11K. So look at the buys are coming in. 22 million market cap. Yeah, 1 million liquidity. It looks great. Looks awesome. All right, let's go and look here. Oh, look at that. I think it was around 10 or 11,000 holders on my last video. We're at 17,500 holders. That's beautiful, guys. Beautiful. We're looking really gorgeous. 414 still at 6% of the supply. And look, it tapers off beautifully after. There's no whales. Yeah, there's some people have some nice bags. Okay. But you're still at a position where you can make and build an awesome, awesome bag of Teddy. So get to work, guys. Like and subscribe. I'm going to miss you, but I'll talk to you later.